Avadhut Group. And I'm very happy. After long persuasion, my partner, my boss, Mr. Avadhut Sathe, is the biggest performance.
Pa-
He is the biggest performer since last April to September, outperforming all professional mutual funds. We have already given 50% annualized returns to our investors, and still it is continued. So he is ready to share his knowledge, and you are all lucky to get it, grasp it.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I'm Kedar Pendarkar. I'm in the market investing on the fundamental basis since 1983. Some people are lucky, I lucky to be with Avadhut Sathe since last 4 years. He is, and I'm also lucky that he is managing my portfolio. And as rightly Mandar said, that he has given me last about 6 months more than 50% returns on my portfolio. And I'm very lucky to be associated with him because I meet him even on Saturday, Sundays when the market is not there working. Thank you.
Thanks. गुड मॉर्निंग गाईज. जरा इथे बेंबीच्या देठापासून येऊ दे. गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड. आय वॉन्ट फुल एनर्जी. ओके, फुल एनर्जी फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 days. असं गुड मॉर्निंग, हा मी आता पैसे घालवले, असं झाले, असं नको. ओके, सो आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चन्स, स्टार्टिंग विथ नंबर 1 questions. हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू आर हियर टू मेक मनी इन द मार्केट? 2 hands. How many of you are not here? How many of you are here to not just make money but something else? What is that? Mind management. Okay. Now your answer to the question was, you all are here to make money in the market. Right? I don't want you to make money in the market. सगळ्यांचे चेहरे बघणार घ्या, सगळ्यांचे रेकॉर्ड करायला पाहिजे. आय ॲब्सोल्युटली डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू कम हिअर टू मेक मनी इन द मार्केट. सो इफ आय आस्क यू अगेन, हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू आर हिअर टू मेक मनी इन द मार्केट? काही हात खाली झालेत. मे बी दे हॅव गॉट सम सिग्नल. आय डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू बी इन द मार्केट टू मेक मनी. ओके. Ask any successful person who is rich. If you ask a successful person who is rich, would he ever say that he got into this profession, business to make money? Any examples of successful people? Shah Rukh Khan. Okay. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala from stock market sites. Okay. And any sports person? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, good. You think they came into sports to make money? It was their passion. How many of you have passion in this field? Absolute passion. Absolute passion. Okay, pure passion. Wow. Ek Avinash, Vijay tar aata hai. This is a beginning. I don't know whether he will develop passion or not. She is also like doubtful. I have interest, but I don't know whether my passion is HR. Right? Absolute passion, na? Great. So ज्यांचे absolute passion आहे ना, you raise your hand like this. Absolute passion. Okay, मी वचन घ्यायला सांगत नाही, just pat on your back. Pat on your back. Pat on your back. Because you are at the right place today. Okay, if you have passion, I will coach you, I will mentor you throughout your life if you be with me. Okay? And I will help you to be successful. This is my promise. Okay? Because I have gone through. Now let me tell you why I am here and let me introduce myself. All right? I'm Avadhut. Of course, everybody knows my name. By profession, I am a full-time trader. I still trade in the US market, Nasdaq NYSE. I trade for my personal portfolio in India as well as I trade for my investors. Education qualification, I did my computer science postgraduate degree. I was an engineer and then I did post graduation in computer science. I almost spent 17 years in IT industry. I worked almost in most parts of the world and seen various cultures, in US, Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand. So I've seen the world and their cultures and met many people. Okay, so I also like to study psychology. Now that is my new subject of passion, and I'm attending seminars on that because one thing I have realized that for all of you to be successful, that is a key part, and that we are going to cover tomorrow. All right. I got into full-time trading since 2007. I left my job I was with Hexaway Technologies. I was heading their PeopleSoft delivery unit in Mumbai. I had an absolutely fantastic job, lot of status. I had a 300 people team with me, 27 projects under me, and across the world, and nice team of project directors, managers, and so on. And even in company, I had a very good status. But then this was the real passion. So I left the job. And after leaving the job, I realized that this is a lonely kind of a thing. Trader's life is little lonely. It can be. I mean, if you like to be lonely, it's great profession. But then I thought, this, and then people started asking, why don't you teach us what you do? Then I started conducting this seminar. The first one I did was in Feb 2008. That was just after market was top. And then in that seminar, I had suggested people to be bearish. In fact, I got a feedback that you sounded very bearish in the market. Bearish म्हणजे खाली पडणारे market असं. Okay, some terms could be new to you. So I quit the market. I wound up my long-term portfolio. First time ever, I started a futures and options account personally for me, because that was the only way I could have made money in the falling markets. All right. So 2008 was a fantastic year for me as well as people who did courses with me in that year. And in fact, when Sensex was below 10,000, we had a party. Okay, there were very few people. And recently I realized, if you put a search on my name, Avadhut Sathe, in Google, the fourth or fifth link you'll find Hindustan Times old article in 2008, where they had taken my interview. They didn't put the entire thing, but they said that few guys survived this market. So we had a very wonderful time. And since then, many people who attend my seminars, they have a feeling that I am a bear. Bear meaning I always like markets to fall. But that is not the case. Okay. Yeah, I am a core bear because I love bear markets. I love bear markets, but that doesn't mean I don't like bull markets. So I want to actually don't want to create bears here. That is a warning. Okay, because I think I've created unknowingly I've created some bears, and then I'm glad that he's long in Nifty. Okay, but there is one guy who's short in Nifty. Okay, so I don't know whether he's probably not following the right principles that he has learnt. Okay, why am I here? I am here because I just love teaching. Okay, training is my passion. That's another passion of mine. I'll just love it. Okay, trading is my passion too. And I have so much of experience that I could share. Probably 2 days may not be enough, but I'll try my best to give whatever I know. And then you become a part of my email group. And if you have any doubts, you can always post. Okay, you may have my telephone number, but only in emergencies you may call me. But you can post on the email and I will reply. If I don't reply, somebody else will. Usually sometimes there is huge activity in the email group and suddenly activity drops. But then I want some of you to actually get in and then start activities there. I'm here to share my knowledge. I'm here for one more reason. Now before that, I want to again ask you a question. How many of you have lost big time money in the market? Big time money, huge money. Please stand up. Huge money. 1, 2, 3. Can you please come forward? Something related to your capital. Something, I think for you, I think you know what is big money for you.
Because whatever as I told everybody, whatever I lost in trading, I earned in delivery.
Fine. Have you ever lost money ever? No, you have earned it back, that is a good thing. But have you lost big money in doing something? No way. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anybody want to join this? Okay, let me stand here. Okay? Maybe कोणीतरी फोटो काढून घ्या रे आमचा. Maybe you can even say, देखिए इन खूंखार ट्रेडर्स को, आतंकवादी ट्रेडर्स को, you know who have lost money. असं कसं जाईल? हा, कीप युअर हँड स्टेडी. इथे चांगला फोटोग्राफर आहे कोणी? येस, गुड. राम राम.